All right. Okay, so if you guys don't want one more example, here's number 6 on classwork 54. It says find all the roots of 5x cubed plus 29x squared plus 19x minus 5. So, same process as before. We are going to write the factors of p. We are also going to write the that should be an F. The factors of q. And then, to figure out all of my possible roots, we're going to write all my factors of p over all my factors of q. Now, what's p, what's q? This is p, and this is q. So, my factors of p are plus minus 1, plus minus 5. A lot of you in class weren't sure if the negative affected anything. It doesn't, because, like, think about it. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Or you could do negative 1 times positive 5 is negative 5. Or, yeah, that's all of them. Or negative 1, positive 5, positive 1, negative 5, etc. So being negative doesn't affect it. Same thing's going to be for this one. So I have plus minus 1, plus minus 5. Okay, so now all of my roots p over q. So I'll start by doing this one over this one. 1 over 1, or 1 over 1 is just 1. 5 over 1 is 5. Now I'm going to do 1 over 5, and then 5 over 5. But this one here, 5 over 5 is the same thing as 1, which I already have here, so I really don't need to include it. So I have 6 possible roots. Or 6 possible rational roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And really, all you gotta do is start testing. I don't know. Let's test 1. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to bring down the 1. Bring down the 1, or rather bring down the 5, then multiply, then add. What is that? 34. Then multiply, then add. And I can already tell that it's too big. So it's not 1. What about negative 1? Same process. So 5, 29, 19, negative 5. Bring down the 5. Multiply, add, multiply. Ooh, adding here. That's negative 5. Multiply, that's positive 5. Yay! My remainder is 0. So that means that negative 1 is a root. And somewhere in here are my other 2. So here's what I gotta do. I gotta factor this. So I'm gonna do that over here. So here is my equation. 5x squared plus 24x minus 5 equals 0. And I'm gonna see if this is factorable. So on top I have a times c, on bottom I have b. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. B is 24. 2 things that multiply to this and add to this will be 25 and negative 1. Don't forget to slide and divide. So it'll look like this. X plus 25, x minus 1. But wait, dividing by 5 because of this number. So this becomes x plus 5, x minus 1/5, which, using the zero product property, I get x equals negative 5 and x equals 1/5. So these are my 3 roots. Negative 5, 1/5, and negative 1 are my 3 roots. Ta-da!